Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video, we are going to look at 3 of the most common mistakes majority of the students make in the reading module and the main reason why they do not get their scores in reading and in their PT test. I have, gone through a lot of students who are missing out in reading module, and these 3 common traits are there where every student is making mistake and is not really getting the scores. I try to keep this video short and to the point so that I can give you maximum information in the minimum time possible. Now let's start. Mistake number 1. Mistake number 1 is majority of the students don't even know where the scores are coming from. You need to understand that out of 90, around 40 to 45 points are outside the reading module. So even if you don't attempt your reading module, you can still secure 40 to 45 points. And these 40 to 45 points are easy to score. We keep on practicing, we keep on focusing on reading blanks where it is comparatively difficult to get the scores. What I want you to do is I want you to focus on 45 easy points. Which are 45 easy points? Read aloud, highlight incorrect words, and summarize written text. These 3 tasks or areas, I do not want you to lose even a single point. You can easily improve here and easily get your scores. And then remaining 45 points, even if you have 60-70% accuracy, you can get around 25-30 points and easily get more than 70-75 and even 79 if you do a bit more in the points you're getting from reading. So what do I mean by not focusing on marking criteria? You need to focus on those areas or tasks where you will put less effort and still get a high score. Make sure no mistakes in read aloud, no mistakes in highlight incorrect words and summarize written text. And then if you have around 60-70% accuracy in reading, you'll be 100% fine. Mistake number 2. What is mistake number 2? Not focusing on the content in read aloud and ignoring highlight incorrect words. Highlight incorrect words, each and every student thinks this is too easy, I don't really need to practice. And every mock test I check, students have 60%, 50%, 70% accuracy, not more than that. Highlight incorrect word is going to give you 10 to 12 points from the listening in your reading module, and I want this task to be perfect. Do not ignore it. Make sure you practice 5 to 10 every day and practice the difficult ones. You can find the difficult ones when you go to languageacademy.com.au under the practice material, highlight incorrect words. Just select difficult and make sure you practice 5 to 10 every day at least. If not difficult, you can even practice medium ones, but 5 to 10 every day, highlight incorrect words you have to practice. Read aloud content. Students think they'll just speak fast, they'll just speak in a flow, but they will not pronounce the words clearly, they'll still get the scores. Yes, speaking fluently can get you scores in speaking, but you will not get points in the reading module. Remember this thing. Even if you're following one-line strategy or you're following, reading the full text, you can follow any strategy, but you need to make sure each and every word you read or speak, you need to pronounce clearly and read properly. That will help you boost your reading scores from your speaking section. Mistake number 3 is just focusing on grammar rules or memorizing hundreds of grammar rules every day. Grammar rules are somewhat helpful. You cannot memorize 100 grammar rules and straight away apply in reading the blanks. What you need to focus in reading the blanks, reading fill in the blanks, writing fill in the blanks, your first priority should be understanding the meaning of the passage. You need to understand the context. If you don't even understand the context, doesn't matter how many grammar rules you are aware of, you cannot do anything. First of all, focus on the context, look at the options, eliminate the wrong options based on the context, based on the meaning of the passage, and then use grammar rules. Grammar rules are useful, but they are of no use without understanding of the context. Let's say you have a blank after to. According to the grammar rule, you'll have first form of verb after to. But let's say if all the options are in first form of verb, what will grammar rule do over there? Grammar rules are helpful. They will help you eliminate the wrong options based on grammar, but you cannot just rely on grammar rules and solve reading the blanks. You have to make sure you understand the passage, if it's a positive context, contradicting context, negative context, what they're talking about. You have to skim and scan, understand the passage, look at the options, use the grammar rules, and then do it, and 100% you will be fine. So for reading blanks, understand the context, eliminate the wrong options, And if you're still doubtful, use the grammar rules. You will be 100% fine. Avoid these 3 mistakes. Understand the marking criteria. Focus on content in read aloud and practice highlight incorrect words. And lastly, use the understanding of context in reading fill in the blanks, and you will be 100% fine. That's it from this video. If the video was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, if you want me to cover any other topic, let me know in the comment section. I'm here to help you. My only aim is to make sure you do not waste your time, you do not waste your money, and you get your results scores in the very first go. We have our branches in Australia, in India, and Nepal as well. We do provide online classes. If you need any help, give us a call, send us a message. We'll be with you, and we will make sure we help you get your desired scores. To practice, just go and register on languageacademy.com.au or download LAPT exam practice app. I'll see you very soon. Do not give up. If I have done it 11 times, thousands of students are doing it every day. You can do it as well. Play smart, do not play hard. Work smartly, and PT success will be yours. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.